We're back here at the Wide Waters. Gonna unload the cart. As you can see, you can put a lot of stuff in this each here. And hang hooks, whatever. Poles, lunch, bait trap, floating troll bucket, tripod for the camera, bait holder. Basically, it's just an old wheelbarrow. I found this cage on the side of the road. I've been using this thing for 25 years, and that's the second tire in 25 years. We probably put close to 1,000 miles on it in the 25 years, walking down the banks, getting to places where you normally can't, and bringing a lot of stuff with you. So, if you got an old wheelbarrow, pick up a cage, you can build it for next to nothing. So that's our means of transportation to bring all our stuff back.